Hello and welcome to another episode powered by Hyundai. Today we'll take a look at different transmission systems and how you can protect your clutch system from overheating. Let's look at dual clutch transmission. You can think of a dual clutch transmission system as an automatically shifting manual transmission. It has two separate clutches for gear shifts, one clutch for odd numbered gears and the other for even numbered gears. During every gear shift, both clutches are engaged and disengaged automatically depending on the speed of the vehicle. A vehicle with a dual clutch transmission system is easy to drive while driving a car with a DCT transmission type. You may find the transmission system heating up at times due to friction between the clutch cover and disc. To protect the clutch, this will be indicated by warning on the instrument cluster and a buzzer. The warning system operates in 4 stages. During the first stage, you'll see a warning message continuously flash on the instrument cluster with a buzzing alarm that will sound 3 times. When you see this message, find a safe spot and park your car till the temperature drops down again. If you continue to drive in the same condition, the temperature will keep on increasing and the warning system will enter the second stage. Now, the warning sounds as well as the message will be flashing continuously. If you further keep driving in the same condition, the temperature will keep on increasing and the warning system will enter the third stage. The warning sounds will continue buzzing and the transmission system will auto shift to another clutch. If the temperature of both the available clutches reaches the third stage, the transmission temperature system will enter the fourth and final stage. At this point, you won't be able to drive and you will have to stop to let the system cool down. Here's what you can do to keep the transmission temperature cool at all times. While you're driving in heavy traffic, maintain distance from vehicle in front of you and release the brake pedal fully. This will allow the clutch to engage properly and the system to function smoothly. The clutch temperature will remain normal and you won't see an alarm on the instrument cluster. On the other hand, if you keep driving at a speed of less than 10 km per hour and maintain no distance between bumpers in heavy traffic, you'll likely use partial brakes that generate heat. It's also recommended to gradually accelerate while you're driving in heavy traffic or driving up a slope. Frequent sudden acceleration will cause the transmission to heat up and the warning system will be activated. While driving up a slope, if you hold or stop the vehicle using accelerator pedal, the clutches may slip, causing the transmission system to heat up and the warning system will be activated. If you find that the transmission temperature system has been activated, here's what you need to do. If you hear the single beep alarm, try to maintain vehicle speed above 10 km per hour while maintaining sufficient distance from the vehicle ahead of you. Shift to neutral when the vehicle is in idle condition. Avoid driving while using partial brakes. Avoid frequent sudden acceleration. Do not use the accelerator to hold the vehicle while driving up a slope. If the warning system keeps beeping continuously, park your vehicle safely and wait for the clutch temperature to slowly come down. Once the high temperature warning on the instrument cluster is gone, you can drive again. Hopefully, with these tips, you will be prepared to keep your transmission system in the best possible shape at all times.